Good evening or good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, not evening, it's morning. We are looking at our learning goals today for the book that we read, The Boy on Fairfield Street. So, our three learning goals are from strand 1, 7, and 8 of our new TEKS. Says that we're expected to work collaboratively with others to develop a plan of shared responsibilities. That you will interact with sources in meaningful ways, such as note taking, annotating, free writing, and illustrating. And that you're expected to analyze plot elements, including rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. How your goals will be met today is based on we've read the book, the read aloud. I read it to you, The Boy on Fairfield Street, the story of Ted Giesel, or as you know him, Dr. Seuss. So first you're going to watch and reflect on your YouTube video, which is called Digital Storytelling, The Boy on Fairfield Street. It's a little bit different because this one's trying to load. This is gives you a little bit more information and facts than the book did. So in actual pictures. So this is a digital storytelling that someone put together. So I want you to watch that. And then you will get together on your group. After you watch the video, your group will collaborate on paper the main points of the plot diagram. So kind of get your plot diagram how you want it on paper, just a rough draft, just something to get you started. Then you're going to go to the Wixie website, to this link, and I already have Adair signed in. I already have the Adair in. When you click on that, it will take you to student login. You'll click the kitty cat and put the login, which I will give you, and then you will click login, and you will come to here, which I've already assigned your group, the one group, the diagramming the plot. So each group will have this, and Adair's group is the kitty cat, so you know you're in the right place, and then it'll have your team up here, which once y'all pick your teams, I'll put the team members in and assign them to you. You will go in and you'll double click on the boxes that says add text here. Okay. And you can type in, you can start typing in what you want. Now remember, the introduction is kind of the lead, the intro to the story, what's going on, to get the story started. Then you can add, you remember your rising action is probably about 4 points that are leading up to the climax. So about 4 things that have happened. So you can number them. You can just write them in a paragraph. However you want to do it is up to you. I'm leaving that collaboration up to you. You also have tools over here on the side and up top. So like if I wanted to record, let me see what I put. I already did a recording here. He liked to draw on his mother's walls in his bedroom. Okay, so there I did if you click that, and it'll have record. So I've already recorded one. So that's why it played it. If I don't like it, I can trash it. But if I like it, I can keep it, and then it'll be right here in the presentation, and it'll be whatever voice, whatever is said will be in that. So please make sure it's meaningful and relevant. You got your rising action, then we come up to your climax. So you remember your climax is your dun dun dun. That's the, you're fixing to go on the railroad car. You're at the top, and you're just the first car's over the point. Remember that, how we talked about it, and then you go falling straight down. So that's going to be at the point in which the story really shifts. You find that aha. So right here I did, you've got tools, you've got paintbrushes, you've got selecting part of the painting, you've got your eraser, which is a really good tool. You've got your spray paint, which I'll use in a minute. You can fill an area with paint. You've got your smudge in the paint, and you've got shapes. So like right here, I'm going to do a pink star, and I'm going to put it right here, because this is the climax, and this tells me that this is the the thing that really drives the story and the change. So also remember that if you have your point, this is your undo. So if you do something you don't like it, you can always hit your undo and it'll take it out. Or you can do your redo and do it again. But if it doesn't undo it and you still have it up here like this, you can hit your eraser and it'll erase what you don't want. So and then just click back on your cursor. You also can add images. So here I did art and I did this because, you know, Theodore Giesel was an artist. He loved to draw. So I did that here. You can also add spray paint. So here we can do this, or we did the stars, okay, and we did orange. And so I'm just going to spray paint. And that adds a little texture to but if I don't like this over here, I can go here and I can erase it. Okay, and just click back on your cursor to move around. When you get through, just make sure that you can show it, which is what we'll do when you present it, but you can click File and then Mark as Complete, and that'll let me know that you're ready for grading. So you can add different things to it, add your text, and it will be your plot diagram. So if you don't have any other questions, then you may get started.